Hello everybody, this is Sean Smith with the Geek Talks Reviews. It's a special review. I just got back from town and I've always wanted to do something based on the ideas I got from like Ashton's and the review spot. So I want to try my hand at something. So I went to Walmart today and I found Series 2 Connect Blind Bags Super Mario Brothers figures. So I got 3 of them. I thought I'd go ahead and open them up here because friends of mine know the luck I have with blind bags. My first experience with blind bags is when I bought some Mega Bloks Marvel set, and I opened 4 bags and they were all 4. All 4 of them was a certain character, the exact same one, so I ended up with 4 of these, the Iron Man figures. So, let's take a look and open these up. I got 3 of them. Let's see what we got. It looks like you have Dry Bones, Mario, Peach, Daisy, I think it is, Wario, whoever that dude is, Boo, and a flying Goomba. So let's open this up and see what we got. I got a Boo. Yeah, a Boo. Anything else in there? Nope, nothing else in there, but I got a Boo. So I got a Ghost. Alright. Let's see what we got in this one. This one. Oop, this one has pieces, and I think I just lost one. Yep. One of the pieces went flying. So hold on one second while I find the piece. I found the piece, and it happens to be a Shy Guy, so put this thing together real quick. And his arms. So there we go. Nice little Shy Guy figure. Alright. And let's go ahead and open the last one. I have no idea what it could be. It's not a Shy Guy, I can tell you that. So, luckily these 3 are not duplicates. So I hope. Nope, this is not a duplicate. It is actually pretty cool. It's the Dry Bones. So head like that, body like that, and the shell. Okay, and the shell pops. And it's a Dry Bones. That's kind of cool. Those things are actually really kind of cool. I kind of like them. Well, see, I grew up with Mario, so getting some little Mario figurine little things would be kind of cool. So we've got a Boo, a Shy Guy, and a Dry Bones. I really like this Dry Bones. So, yeah. Will he stand? Yep, that stand, that won't. So it just rolls around. So yeah, that's just been a quickie little blind bag thing. This has been Sean Smith, and you've been watching Geek Talk Reviews.